Welcome back. We're meeting the winners of the Automat Leaders of Tomorrow Awards 2013 here on ET Now. Now it's time to meet the final winner, the company that has bagged the engineering products category and has also been crowned as the SME of the Year by the jury. This winning entrepreneur also gets to go for an international leadership program at the University of Michigan. His is a company that's transforming Indian agriculture with very innovative irrigation products. Here's the SME of the Year 2013, Automat Irrigation. After a tough nationwide competition and complex deliberations by the jury, the glory of becoming the SME of the Year at the Automat Leaders of Tomorrow Awards 2013 rests with Automat Irrigation. Also the winner of the engineering products category, this Delhi-based company was launched in 2008 as part of the Automat Group. A labour of love of second-generation entrepreneurs Tushar and Amit Jain, its offerings include durable and cost-effective sprinklers, ball valves, filters and venturi injectors that are transforming the irrigation sector in India and overseas.
You know, there was a big scarcity of food and that time Tushar visited Israel and he visited some other countries and he gave me idea that this will be very good if we start making these equipment, and that's how we started making sprinklers.
What's remarkable about Automat is when you look at international companies who've been successful in this field, each of these product categories is monopolized by a particular company. So when you talk about sprinklers, there's a company that internationally is a leader in sprinklers. We talk about filtration system. So there is going to be a company that internationally is a leader in filtration systems for agricultural applications, irrigation applications. Automat, I think, is the only company that's taken this bold initiative and step to have all the 6 product lines, and we aspire to be the global leader in all the 6 categories.
Forming an integral part of almost every irrigation system sold, today Automat Irrigation is one of the top 5 manufacturers of irrigation products in the world. Exporting to 85 countries, its products are a result of relentless research and development efforts by a skilled engineering team. Being one of the pioneers in the use of engineering plastic for agricultural applications, Automat has brought in several firsts in the industry.
We have maintained a product leadership in the field of irrigation and the use of innovative technologies of polymers and polymer processings to make the products which are very useful in the drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation, which in turns saves the water, saves the natural resources, and is very cost effective. The productivity of the farmers per hectare increases dramatically with the use of these equipments.
Our whole aim and thirst from the beginning has been convert everything from the metal to the plastic. Just for your knowledge, we are killing our metal products by our plastic products, because we know that at the end of the day the life is more, because they are being used in saline water. Saline water is biggest enemy for any kind of a metal, but it doesn't work, it doesn't react with the plastics. Plastic can be made more tougher than most of the metal material.
With a manufacturing footprint spanning across Delhi NCR and 3 units in the Sitkul industrial area at Haridwar, Automat Irrigation produces the maximum number of sprinklers in the world with an undeniable promise of quality. Expansion is on the anvil, with its largest yet manufacturing facility at 6 acres to start work in Haridwar in a few months' time.
As far as plastic injection molding is concerned, we have one of the best plant in North India for injection molding. We have all automated plant for injection molding unit, where all the material which we are sending to the machines is not done by manual. It is all done by a plant itself, which is as costly as probably the machines are, where everything is taken place in a controlled environment.
Automat Irrigation supplies to various brands around the world. One of its most popular products, both at home and across the world, is sprinkler brand Saras. In such huge demand, Saras has almost become a synonym for sprinklers in irrigation jargon.
Saras is a 3/4 inch, very standard plastic sprinkler. Traditionally, sprinklers are made out of metal, and we realize that the customer needs cheaper products and more durable products. Customers are becoming more demanding, and that's the case with farmers as well. So in 2008, we established this company to convert all the metal products into plastic products. And now Saras is a generic name of a 3/4 inch plastic sprinkler, and it's extremely popular.
With applications not just in agricultural irrigation but also in real estate landscaping, sports fields and other green areas, Automat Irrigation is set to rise much higher. Having achieved a turnover of 65 crore rupees last fiscal, this resolute SME aims to touch 90 crore rupees next year and grow at the rate of at least 30% from there on every year. Utilizing the best of technologies and also the power of networking with farmers and dealers, Automat Irrigation hopes to increase its footprint further, both on the ground and on the world map. With that, it's a wrap of Season 4 of India Mart Leaders of Tomorrow on ET Now. India's SME sector continues to be the backbone of its economy, and with this series, we only aim to recognize the efforts of these 45 million Indian enterprises. We hope you've enjoyed Season 4. Until Season 5 of Leaders of Tomorrow, it's goodbye.